How long does a lawsuit take? Lawsuits take too damn long. It is an unfortunate reality of the legal system that the wheels of justice grind very slow. Even though we push our cases as hard as we can, and I think as hard as any firm that I know of, they still take what most people would consider a long time. Just about the fastest you're going to get a lawsuit filed and get it to trial, somewhere in the neighborhood of 2 years, and that's pretty fast. I've seen some go a little bit shorter than that, but that doesn't happen very often. The reasons that lawsuits take a long time is everything has long delays. So when you file a lawsuit, they have 30 days to answer it. That's a whole month. They always ask for an extension. You have to understand that the counter side to this is that insurance companies and defense lawyers, they want lawsuits to take as long as possible. And the system is sort of built to help them with that. So again, after you file the lawsuit, nothing happens for the first 30 days. Not even the first 30 days, you have to serve the lawsuit. And after they get served with the lawsuit, then they have 30 days to answer. So you're really looking at 45 days. But nobody answers in 45 days. They always ask for a month extension. And if you don't give it to them, the court will. The court will sign it without even looking at it. It's almost automatic. So now you're looking at 45 days plus another month before anything ever happens after you file the lawsuit. Then you go through discovery, which takes another 2 months, sometimes longer. Then, depending on how many defendants you have and how many defense lawyers you have, to start taking depositions and having meetings and everything, you have to clear the calendar. You have to play what I call the calendar game with 5 different lawyers, and they all are magically busy until 3 months later. So a lot of times, in the first 6 months, it's like watching paint dry. And there's not much that a personal injury lawyer can do about it. We can file stuff, and you can file something with the court if you think there's been an unreasonable delay. But when the court sets a hearing date, most of the time it's 2 months away. So until that hearing date, the defense lawyer and the insurance company aren't going to do anything. And then you get to court, you have your hearing with the judge. If you got the right judge, maybe they slap them on the wrist, and maybe you get a little more action. Most of the time, most of the judges, they're backed up too. And so they don't think that 2 months or 3 months or 4 months is a big delay. In their world, it's not. They're used to seeing cases that are 5 and 6 and 7 years old. Now, we never let our cases get that old, but it happens on the regular down at the courthouse. We combat that by keeping a low number of cases per person so we can push them harder, push them faster, despite the desire of the insurance companies to delay cases. We push them as fast as we can.